before start the machine, when you commissioning the machine, generally the film feeding speed will be set as 1 and the tissue feeding speed is 10. The speed is kind of like 24 or 20 pieces per minute. So we ought to run slow before start the machine when in debugging. But first we have to check the inserting tissue, the position, the stroke I mean, and to make sure if the inserting plate insert to the middle position of the pre-sealing of bag. Go to manual page. We press insert tissue. You see, this inserting plate now is in the middle of the pre-sealing. And another thing about the parameter page, there's a servo button. There's a paper pulsing pulse. This parameter means the tissue inserting stroke from this side to the bottom side of the bag. Now it's 145, right? If we modify as 130 and then press insert jog, you see it seems it is wrong, not correct stroke. We need to add more. So we change as 145 and have a try. Now it's correct, almost correct. In kind of this position, the stroke is correct. Now go back, and we need to fix the film in the right position first. Fix it well.